Ay, nasik ka mo di. Nasik day. Pwede na. Maguya-uya. Naglibot ka. Laman. Wako na isa. Baka mo isa yan. Thank you.
Sinunit? Nauligid saya? Aga pictures. Okay guys, andito kami sa Tabuelan. May vlogger tayong kasama guys. Si Nining. May isa pa tayong vlogger guys na kasama. Sana yun. Iya. Ara guys, gina-vlog ako, gina-vlog ko man sa. Shout out. Shout out sa kay turista, pobre turista. Ayan guys. He is vlogging as well.
Hihigaling natin sila dyan sa ka.
Oo. Yun, nanasagwa. Nagdong ka 4 o'clock. Dito na kami guys sa Tabuelan, Cebu. Yan. Wow. Ito guys, so this is I think San Carlos. Din taning San Carlos. Nagano? San Carlos, Tabuelan. Escalante. Escalante, Tabuelan, Cordova.
Diba kung narasol ako?
Ano to? Kaya tiga, protect mo na sa ilang ido. Oh, lumpat ka. Ang ido, malumpat. Ang ido, malumpat ay. The dog. He knows. Daddy, he knows.
I like to sit on the front. Mascot.
Correct. Wala basta nasing ka. Guys, dak na kami sa Tabuelan from Escalante. Escalante, ito nito ka how many hours? Ilang hours to here?
3 lang mo. Kay 1, ano to kay nata nagalito
3. 1:30 to 33, 34, 33 hours guys. 3 hours from Escalante to Tabuelan. And Escalante from Bacolod is only 2 hours and 15 minutes, no? So it's not bad. It's been ano na, it's been good, so we just have to go to the bus. That's our bus over there guys, the bus. But he doesn't want, the driver doesn't want us to go in. He wants us to walk. Okay, following daddy. Walking kita. Alright. Here we go. Yan. So here we go. Ang doggy nagbaba din siya, oh. The doggy. The doggy went down. Buyag, tambok siya.
Guard dog.
He's a guard dog. Ay, ini nakadak na yan, oh. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat sila, guys. Ha? Ari yung bahulataton bus. We're gonna wait for our bus to come here. Oh, ayan guys, oh. Ang mga barge dito. Oh, yun. May mga dog sila nadala. Zozohay. Doon nagtaas ang bus. Doon nagtaas ang bus. Agina do kadubo man sini. Nadugangan niya height. Ya. Like a terminal over there. The Australian and
ang papawya si Sir amo ni siya ang Musuliyo, Malacanang of the South of Cebu. Sir? Ang papawsin ang taas is Malacanang of the South. So tama yung taas dito yung Plaza Independencia. Okay. By the way, sir, if you don't mind.
Pilipino. Kalawig man eh.
Lawig man na.
Okay man.
Hindi lang ako ng konting Ilocano.
Okay. Pero kailangan namin giban sir na bilingual ta sir eh. Ilonggo, Bisaya. Kaya kami sir, Bisaya makuanggit kami, salita kami ng Bisaya.
Jano.
Doon may consider may kahit sport gani ang may ko anay kung GT. What is GT nga ni? Terminal. Boat terminal. Kanay boat terminal.
Inyustar bukod ako. Yes, sa mga barko. May building ang Inyustar.
Okay, no. Grabe gid ang pag-develop sa taga-Talisay. Especially ang South property. Grabe gid. South property ni sila panawa.
South Road.
Kaya going to Sisilex. Sisilex na agiyata na I think.
Ano ba?
Sisilex going to Cordova. Pero dire dot. You enjoy the place if you go here on sunset. Sunset in the afternoon. Because the sunset here is very beautiful. And then you stay in panahon nila yung South Coast.
Daddy, look at who's smiling us. Jollibee. Kabaliin. Damo, daddy ko pagkaon. SM guys. Si Henry nag-reels. Finally, we are here in SM Cebu. Yan. Na-stuck siya. Nag-deliver sa? Wala siya dala. Naway sa dala. Guys, na-stuck siya guys. Ay, going inside now. Cebu. Sa seaside, baby? Sa motor there?
In the ring.
That one?
Yeah, the ring.
Oh,
Big ring.
yeah.
Johnny Luro nito. Travel time is around 6 hours. Joke.
That's serious.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Ceres Tourist Bus. We are here at their Cebu North Bus Terminal. If you are leaving for Bacolod City via Don Salvador Benedicto, you can just ask your Grab driver or taxi driver to send you here, take you here. Okay, so it's very easy. Very, very easy.
So guys, good morning. We are heading back to Bacolod from Cebu. So nasa bus na kami guys. North Terminal of Cebu. Ayan. Diyan na si Daddy. Ready for the thing guys. And there's my sister and my brother. So for today's video guys, ako driver sa bus lock. Series driver. Yan. So that's the, they should have port number Cebu. Guys, nandito na kami sa Toledo, heading to Dumaguete. So ito guys yung Toledo na ano. Ayun, may ano siya guys. So, let's go. Yan, we're heading to that barge. Ang series ay papunta dyan. But we are not allowed to sit in the bus. Yun. Bus is going from there to that light ferry. We're not allowed to ride with the bus. So all the people are coming towards us. Nining and Morris should be there behind us. Ayan. Cebu 6. Oh, where we going? May leader ta. Ito sila guys, ang haba. Our bus is coming. Pasok ta to. Pasok ta. Pasok. Ha?
Konduktor.
Kulaton ta daw?
Oh, laton na to kasi nga barko.
Kulaton na sila.
Hindi, diretso ta. Diretso sulod tayo. Yan. Dako-dako, no? Lapad ang Toledo nga ano. Ay, this is the old one. Yeah. Oo, so we have to go here. Yan. Yan. Ay, nahulog to. Hulog to. Okay lang. Okay. Okay na. Thank you. Huh? He said it's okay. So this is the light ferry. Ay, nahulog ka. Ano naman? Watch your step. Upstairs. Upstairs pa yun. In the captain chair. Not upstairs? Hala, captain naman adi. Pilot house. Madrive kami. Oh, pangita na. Pangita bed. Where's Henry?
113.
Ano na? Ano number to? Oo, they should have.
114.
114. Ay, Ariyo. Kauban. 4 of us.
Di ba mag-aircon ba?
I don't know why he put us here.
Na-aircon na naman pero upgrade mo 40 ang call. 40 per person.
Sige. 4 of us.
4 of us.
Oo. Sige. Ariyo. 1, 2, 3 and another one there.
Another one.
Oo. Wait for Henry. So 4 of us.
4 of us.
So 1, 2, 3. The other one is vlogging outside, so you cannot find him. Just leave him there. Yara Amari. Ay, okay. Ito ang blue building. Nagali. Fast cut. Okay. Dira na siya. Kay may bakantingas pa. Daddy. Okay. We are going out the light ferry, the Nilo ferries. And we are going to our bus. Dinta. Wait lang. Tinta. Series. Series tanit. Light Ferry 11. Shade at least ya akan bibili. Yan. Oh, dari lang kaya. So that is the Light Ferry. We are going out there, guys. And this is the surroundings. This is the San Carlos Port. It's so Very big. That one is going to Batangas. Batangas, sabla ninyo ang paskat ninyo. It's Daddy, Nining, and Lunit. Yes.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.